Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to return in Lazada. So Lazada has a return refund process and we're going to discuss how it works. So right here we are in Lazada in my account, and then we can scroll down right here in the very bottom of our account and look for free returns. So here this is their policy when it comes to returns. So free returns up to 30 days or 7 days with free of charge. So you can return for any reason, so that only applies to the eligible items. So when it's not eligible, you'll not be able to return it. So here, the first thing you will check if it's returnable. So it will have a logo right there if it's 30 days free return, or a 30-day free return right there, as you can see also, or 7 days to return to seller. So there's also a 7 days back money guarantee and also a free return option if it has one. So next is, why are the return reasons? First is if you will have to change your mind. Second, if it did not meet your expectation. Incomplete orders, something went wrong, or if it's not authentic at all. So, how to return the item? So here, you will first select your item and then return slash refund, press that button. Next, select your concern, why you will have to return it. So you will have to proceed according to your concern, of course. Next is fill out the form. First is going to be your return method. Second is going to be your comment or evidence. C is you will have to submit. Next is returning your item, and then from there they will be notified where the pickup or drop off details will be until your request is actually fulfilled. And that is how it works basically to return in Lazada. So there you go, guys, and that's how it works.